Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Well, hello! This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle, or plural if they should occur. Check that out, it's a lid from a cup of instant noodles, folks. This is Acecook with their Yokosuka Navy beef curry ramen from Acecook. This came out of a Nakama Noodles box. You can go to Miau, M-I-A-U, boxjapan.com and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Hey, so let's add in some boil. Let's not make a mess. I really don't want to make a mess. Alright, smidge. And what I'm also going to do is add some of this Ramen Bay beef. I'm going to add it to the water and then drain it and then add it into that. I think that should work. It'll make it a super duper beefy cup. That should do. So yeah. It is a cloudy, rainy day today. We might go out walking tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. It shouldn't be too bad tomorrow, but we will see. I gotta remember, I have a sachet here that's going to need to be added to what we have here. That'll be a thing. But yeah, crazy. I really am curious about how the, oh, are we? Uh-oh. I don't know how well this is going to go because I think there's a hole in the bottom of the cup and that's not a good omen. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, but we'll find out. We've got a minute and 30 seconds left. What the hey, you know? I think it'll be all right. I need a napkin. I do. I don't see a napkin. Well, we'll have a napkin at some point. But, oh, what's going on? Did a lot of walking around, getting a lot of sun. That's good. You know. And, yeah, I'm good. A month ago was the last review. Now there's more reviews, and there'll be more to see. Oh, my review 5,000. Yeah, didn't go as I planned. I haven't done it yet, but I was really hoping to do one thing, and that fell through. But I've got a new thing that I'm going to be doing, so that's good. I'm just waiting for that to show up and then I'll do that. That's going to be really involved too because I'm going to do a, what do you call it? A how I review video that's totally updated that shows like from getting the noodle all the way to the final picture of the finished product and the review. So that'll be pretty cool. So you know exactly how I do what I do when I do it. More top 10s will be coming soon. I've been working on that quite a bit lately, so that's fun. And yeah, that's as far as that goes. We've got a lot of forest fires around here right now, so I'm thinking that's going to be a deal. That'll make the air less palatable and fun. I think this might be some kind of spicy Cape Canaveral here. Oh, I haven't even talked about that. Denmark, wow. That was a big thing, huh? Did you even know about that? Denmark outlawed Bulldog because it's just too darn spicy. 3 varieties. Stew type 2X and 3X. Really? You're gonna live. Okay, so we'll try this way, and then we'll add in some of that buff. Seaplane just went over. You know, I live in downtown Kenmore, Washington, home of the largest seaport in the world for seaplanes. Noodle came out all right. You need to see this. I'm sorry. I'm neglecting you. I don't mean to do that. No. Here's some of the... I'm guessing that's going to be beef and potato. Yep. Potato? Nope. That was potato and potato. Is it all potato? Oh, there's a beef. See, there's a beef and a potato. But the beef is teeny tiny. So I am going to add some of the ramen based stuff because their beef is great. And there's a lot of it. But a little handful, folks, goes a long way. Come on, man. B. See? We beefified it. Look at all those meaty beefs in there, see? So now it's more of a beef spectacular. I mean, they're just like little ground beef nuggets, but they come out really good. I did a full review of said beefy nuggety product earlier. So if you want to see the ramen based video, that'll be not the last one, but the one before. So look at the number of this video, the episode number, and then just subtract 2, I guess. I don't know. I might rush that one. You know, this feels like too deep of a bowl. Do I really want to use this bowl? I kind of... That's on. Do I really want to use this bowl? I want you to be able to see all the stuff in it, so that's why I asked, and I think I'm going to use a different bowl. This one's a good bowl for beef, I think. Like, subscribe, and comment. See, there's a meaty beef. Yeah, we're good. We got meaty beefs in there. I'm gonna use one of these new fancy food bank eggs. Wow, that got colorful awful quick. I'll have to use the rest of these tomorrow. Oh, these aren't bad. Oh, not at all. Okay. Definitely good for same-day egging, I would say. A wee bit of that. It mentions that it's spicy in the info about this, and I just really didn't find it spicy at all. So I am going to help it along with the addition of some oil. I think that'll help a little bit. So I should mention that there's two different kinds of this chili oil. There's the one with the bits. See that? You can see some sediment in the bottom, maybe. You gotta shake that one, because if you don't, you won't get that love sludge coming out. But there you go. You want the sludge. Sludgy is better. All right. What's new song? Thanks again for watching. Yeah, cool. I'm kind of back now, you know, because I'm home with the kids, and it's summer. School's out for summer. You can say hi to them. Come on. What you doing?
I'm doing my new videos, and I'm trying to pull two fire alarms on my video.
Really?
And they stopped, and the fire truck stopped because they turned off the fire alarm. And then thinking it was nobody around here.
Yeah.
And then I made a surprise party, and then after that I did the music while doing the fire alarm.
Wow.
And that's it.
Cool. Very nice, dude. Doing art and stuff and hanging loose.
I'm making an arts and craft.
What are you making?
I'm trying to make a little flower holder for this lollipop. This grape flavored lollipop.
Interesting. You guys being all creative out here. I love it.
I wonder why it's a grape dum dum flavored.
I don't know. It's disposition, I guess.
I hope I like it.
Oh, yeah, I hope you do too. All right, well, there you go. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.